the VAM. It's a very interesting subject, and I request all of them should produce the VAM, all the industries, because the need for all the farms, not only for agriculture, horticulture, landscaping and everything. Recently I saw one documentary in Netflix. That documentary name is Fantastic Fungi. You can all go back and see that in the Netflix. What is that fantastic fungi? What they say is that when the first earth was formed, the fungi was formed. So our forefathers is fungi. So that's what they say. It's a nice interesting fungi. So what they say is, before the plants, the earth came, first came was Mycorrhiza. The second God has created Mycorrhiza. So Mycorrhiza and plants are symbiotic together. You know one more interesting thing? I have a client from US. They say, ma'am, what do you give it for plants? Give it for human beings. For example, phosphate solubilizing bacteria, potash bacteria, and zinc bacteria. I ask them why. Because we all drink mineral water, which earlier we used to drink river water and well water, which contains all these microbes which are missing in the gut, including Pseudomonas fluorescens. They have asked to give it as a gut microbe, that we named it as a SBO, soil bore probiotics for human gut, and I'm getting a repeated order. You know what for? When I ask them to give the spreadsheet, they say it is controlling cancer, it is controlling Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. So the soil microbes plays a major role even for the gut, and they're mentioning it as SBO's probiotics. So it is not only for the plants, you all can explore for even for human beings. So this VAM, I think most of you know, all the companies are doing it. Do it in more larger scale. It should reach to all the farmers, and it is amazing product. It also controls nematodes. Most of them doesn't know. For the nematodes, they give the different products. Initially, if you use VAM, it restricts the nematodes to enter into the plant. So all the plants, especially for guava farmers and all those, I require Mycorrhiza at initial stage to use. Next, all of them knows PGPR. The sir was telling we can get a biostimulant for this. Amazing is PGPR's bacteria. It does not have any license, and we can all use all this bacillus species for all crops. Even for cheeks, animals, dogs, for everything you can use this PGPR's bacteria, and even for floor cleaning, even for washrooms cleaning, which we supply even for STPs, ETPs. They goes wonderful of this PGPR's bacteria, not only for plants. In fact, for plants, we get a lesser price. When it goes to other products, we get a more margin also. That's what I was telling to sir. And last, this is my very interesting project which I am doing it for past 10 years. This year I found it's very good even for fruit flies. It's good for even for mosquito flies. Not only for, earlier we used to do it only for grubs. Now after seeing all this, it's controlling more than 200 pests, and it does not require any license. And it is easy now even for two, because the shelf life is for 1 year, which I have seen it, and it's working very wonderful, especially this EPN, and all of them can produce it and give it to farmers. But only thing is that repeated orders are not coming, because once the farmer says this, he's happy for 3 years. So only business people might be finding it a little difficult, but it's actually a very good product even for brinjal. The borer is a basic problem. Once they use EPN, there is no borer at all even in brinjal. You know, the way they use pesticides in brinjal, just for the borer, you should never eat brinjal also. That is how this is. Initially for one soil application, which I have done personally, I never saw the borer in brinjal. Never. So that is amazing of this product, and it was funded even by BioAg. I think Rahman sir also knows it, and it's amazing. Most of the entomologists should work more on this product, and this is fun.